It's just a little guy, it's just a little guy, it's just a little guy. And you pass up for it, and I say, no, so safe. And I say, you for we. And I say, little guy. Are you moving? Yeah, you know. Yes. Lá vai fogo.
Sending money home remotely is easy.
No, we don't let her give mama. No man else said no with me. I can't go and see. No, you don't know it without me.
That was it. Come on, how you doing? It's been a while. Oh my God, I've been so busy, guys. I've been super busy. You know, I've been wanting to do this video. I hope you guys can hear me. Okay, guys. Yeah, I've been wanting to do this video for a couple of days now. I've just been super busy, guys. So how are you doing? Come on, Obu here. Thank you for coming on board. I welcome you. I'm going to be here briefly, hopefully. If I don't finish what I have to say, I'll be here during the week. If I can't be here tomorrow, before the end of the week, I'll be here again. Thank you all so much. So I'm going to talk about this easy Sharon stuff. You know, it's such a messy situation that I don't even know how to, put it. I think when this whole news of Sharon being in coma broke out, It was this Ewi boy, this normal said not make you in and not make you again. It was a guy that blew it out. But the other people, put it on their DP, but it was not like directly. Nobody could phantom what they were talking about until Sadia Richard came out, the Ewi guy, and it was like, oh, this is the person she passed away. A few hours later, I came out again to say, oh no, the girl was in coma, Yeah, so rest in peace now.
Here we go.
That was all that happened, and a week or 6 days after, she finally gave up, which was so sad, thinking about the circumstances and how young she was. It was sad. Everybody, I didn't know on time. I think my cousin Kinada said, she called me. I'm like, oh, they said, yeah, where Sharon? I'm like, no, I'm not sure she's dead. I think she's in coma. She said no. I was kind of busy that day, so I didn't go to Facebook until late the next day in the evening, and I'm like, oh my God, this is sad. She has a baby who was not even up to 4 weeks as when she passed, So while people were mourning, people were like, oh my God, Easy, our closest friend, our supposed best friend. While people were thinking about Sharon's mom, the next person that everybody was thinking about was Easy. Oh my God, she's gonna be so devastated. She's gonna be a wreck of herself, just like the mom of this deceased,
Yeah.
Not up to 3 days after her demise, a girl called Osame, they came out, because most of them, when they do something, they forget and they start claiming victim, and that is one thing I hate about them.
Yes, we look at
Osame, they came out, and she was lashing on this girl's mom, the Madam 50 Cent.
So
that kind of made everybody raise eyebrow and was like, hello, what's happening here?
Okay.
Oh, the mom, is your bear, is your one on her,
Now, good evening and good morning. Let's enjoy this beautiful broadcast this evening.
Not up to 50 minutes.
This broadcast is for a look behind Easy.
Richard Osadaye with Osane said they came online and they started bashing this woman. Osane say even made us know that again. Now the way no ya be agia. Even the Madonna trolley sponsors in Uri. Here na big agia radio. Here big agia the Scandinavian countries. Here big Eastern Europe. Here big Western European countries. So I personally was like, oh my God, that was what resonated with me immediately. I saw them doing that video. Then I called somebody who used to live in Reggio Emilia. She's in UK now. And then I was like, silently in my, but she is not aware of that. I'm like, okay, no problem. Because I'm like, okay, maybe she didn't get the story or she didn't know what happened. Then my cousin Kinada called me. And the person gave a different narrative about this woman. She didn't spend too much time in okay like Fabrica. Started working, doing everything to bring these children. Good afternoon, my darling Jojo. How are you doing? It was a different version.
Jojoski. That's
When I
Jojoski.
saw the video of Osanese and this girl, Osanese and Richard, I was so, I was vexed. I'm like, oh, man, what was you? What tell me my dirty life? And they kept, when Sharon they alive, una no celebrate her. When Sharon born, una no post her, but una two ways say una post her, una love her. Now, can't even tell us waiting the enemies of the supposed enemies of Sharon, what they didn't even tell us. You guys, published it, you broadcasted it out. All in the guise for everybody to join you, big Sharon's mom. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. 2 days after, Osamede came out and she was apologizing. So after that apology, you know, I became suspicious. I'm like, something is happening here. A day after, 2 days after, Izzy put up an update. Mama Nora, what did you do? Sharon, when on a date them. I said, yes, something is happening. Then I called cause we were talking and I told my Facebook again. You know what? Something is happening. Why did Izzy not address Osamede, who came out lambasting her friend's mom, a supposed best friend's mom? Why is she focused on what Osamede said? If she can, you know, talk on what, or she can raise up about what Osamede said. Why is she not putting a stop? Or why did she not, you know, blame Osamede that this is not the right time to make the people know what was happening? Because it was such a money period, it was such a cold time, not even up to 3 days this guy passed on. You know? I want to know maybe your mark will bear over Osamede. Now there's something, because you see, I know I have read so much about William Shakespeare novels that I can smell manipulators from afar. I can smell from manipulators from afar. You know, we show where is your thing. Oh, we know where Izzy is broken now. Izzy is broken now.
No, my
broken. She was a best friend. I'm like, okay, if she can see what Osamede said, why is she not saying anything what Osamede said?
Okay.
So I let it go. 2-3 days after, boom, Dorothy came out. The same narrative about the mom. I'm like, yes, I knew something was definitely wrong. When Osamede did that video, actually on her platform was feasting on Sharon's mom. She was feasting on Sharon's mom.
Madam, home.
When Dorothy came out, I think she was not like, okay, she should also go confirm from the other side. And she got the shock of her life. And that was when Izzy started on this. Izzy started, oh, no, of your boy are updating it.
No, my boy, I could know better style. Quick one. Me, I could talk about what this woman talking. Me, I could explain like kill and down for now. Compared to the video where I do yesterday, where I play for now, where Monica for talk say, na easy na bring the matter come for her. Na that lose everything for her because I'm mature. When Osamede first come out for this social media called the badge on Mama Easy, Monica carried the video go her platform, use her to blast Mama Easy before. Auto team they can't conference Monica with Mama Easy. Mama Easy can't give her own side of the story. If Monica can find out where the whole truth they go, the whole system not can change. So Montana can't run against Easy. Nobody the way Easy take planner before. Nobody can be. Easy was happy see maybe if he as he take plan, as he diagnose everything, give Monica. And all his so-called agents, like them Dorothy, them Samedi, as they blast me because they believe they be close friend. We all go pick up from there so they beat Mama Sharon. You understand? But unfortunately, he take Button around. Buna no say Sharon never have friends. He don't get friends. Or say we don't never say koi. Easy guy in Sharon.
She's broken. Yeah. People more in our okay. There is something fishy with Easy or Mori. I know how manipulators operate. If you are not smart, if you are not very fast, you'll be susceptible to them. You'll be at the mercy of them. And the story I was told after Osamede did that video played out again. They don't want to do nothing. Because they believe they are entitled to their mom doing everything for them. A lot of you think over pampering kids is love. No, you spoil them and the onus is going to fall on you.
Exactly.
And that is what we just experienced.
Exactly.
Imagine Sharon, who went to UPSS or Europe. Children of the royal family, they go to UPSS. 2 of them just graduated from UPSS. She came to Europe, she could not bottle up herself. She was waiting for the mom to do everything for her because Easy and the mom, they brainwashed her.
Right down.
Easy with the mom, they brainwashed that girl so much that she now felt, Easy is doing all that for Easy because every 5 or 10 days I had changed a battery in Easy or more. So the mom is liable to babysit her for life because I changed a battery no Easy went with the mom. They relocated to UK. They couldn't stay because they did not qualify. They were not eligible for some treatment from the NHS. They had to run back to Italy.
Okay.
So because Easy gets that kind of treatment from her mom, she wants Sharon to do that for a girl who is able-bodied. It doesn't work like that, yeah.
No, the battery man, no what this son don't that
one went. Then everybody put up an update. Una sure so na the month so.
Okay. The come on
that was it. Okay. UPSS is a very good school. Very good school. The students there, they are bright. Oh my God, it's a good school.
It's one of the best schools in Benin.
The girl was their prom girl. The head of prom in this their last graduation. She's from the royal house. So it's a good school. The mom was able to pay that school fees for her. What else do you guys want the mom to do? That's a slap on the mother's face.
Exactly.
Ebony wrote updates. Una sure so na the most without mentioning nobody's name. Easy picked it up. Boom. As she picked it up, people came out. When everybody raised that update or wrote that update on her wall, Easy picked it up without everybody mentioning nobody's name. And Easy got the support of the people who supported her. She could not key into that support. That is one thing with manipulators. They are very slow mentally. They think they are smart, but they are very slow because they operate the same direction. Zombie, one-way soldier, one-way traffic. She got the support of people, but she could not key into that momentum happening. People came out, they fought Ebony. Even Esther Dokpa that Ebony stood with when her chips were down, came out and gaslighted Ebony just to please Easy Omori. Esther Dokpa and Destiny, they gaslighted Ebony who stood with them when their chips were down, when the onus was on them. Esther Dokpa and Destiny Bagua, they gaslighted Ebony. They gave Ebony what is called in psychology manipulation of reality, was what they gave to Ebony. Just to please Easy, because they thought she was money. Hell no! Yeah, mommy. Because how she expected Sharon's mom to be lambasted, the backlashes she was expecting Sharon's mom to get was not working the way she planned or the way she wanted it.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh.
Esther, don't buy you rubbish Ebony just to please this idiot Easy Omori. She could not key into it that, oh, okay, now that people are on her side, let her quickly work with Easy Sharon's mom. No! She wanted to be the one calling the shots for Easy's mom. For Sharon's mom. You know? Because that is one thing with manipulators. They cannot figure it. Their brain is so shallow. Their assimilation level is so low that the only thing they know is that you want banana, you want egg baby, you want big baby. At the end of the day, he was the one who sent Dorothy out, who sent Osamede out. Osamede came but in her apology, a statement that got my attention. She said, Sharon Sharon might come on anything about the mom. Why now? Izzy was manipulating. She was walking inside. A silent manipulator. See, Jamie, I did not talk. If you want just catch silent manipulator, I'm not talking to my husband. In 2020, we had an issue like that now. In 2020, we had an issue like that. Where a silent manipulator was operating underground. Why when my husband said I should not talk. My husband said I should not talk. Boom! Every Osadia, no one, 50 years in a genuine, come 2 weeks a baker. That one came out. Easy is coming to attack on my platform. Boom! Another gaslight on it. After giving Osadia hope, we are do guana. Another gaslight on it. I don't want to talk. A shadow yerena, and I'm way ray mug, and I'm way and I say, Naka in a bene. Because she knew she was still going to, she still had other people she could play with. But when she saw the backlash that she saw, when Izzy Omori you saw that the way when many plan anybody not get like the Agbela it was not the time to tell her what Sharon mom has done to her. It was not the time. People were grieving, people were ready to help. But you said A, you said B, honor the girl, Sanjaye will highlight there, Ijibiela, the economy myself on Mokoyoma, Igo Yoko, and marriage, you are Bielenegbe. When she now saw that there was nobody for her to use again, well, I'm never to lag and the way series 1 to 8. Don't with 9 in my mind, Comage page, when she saw that there was nobody for her to use again, this is that manipulator's operation. She's Lady Macbeth. How many of you have read that book, Macbeth? If you have read that book, Macbeth, Macbeth called Lady Macbeth, and you represented so well on Facebook now. Manipulators, then they will come at, I did not do anything. I not do anything. Because it isn't everybody be fools like here. Look at Osane say. Osane say came out insulting Sharon's mom for what reason?
You finish what you do. Okay. People. God bless you.
Sharon, useless boy. No, Bielena the credits. Osane said we were not permissive Sharon. Without respect. Who raised you people? Okay, you say that by themselves. Does this parents who they can't talk to you guys when you are misbehaving? Look at Osane say Osane say nothing you officially cannot hear me where we are on Yaguye Sharon. If you are gear one Facebook that you came out insulting Sharon's mom. Was not Biafilokwa was trap. Uluka Kanye Yakamawewe. You want put that get Bekuso online and offline. Uluka Kaye only Yakamawewe. Unya put on a pedophile offline online. Ariani Bebale. Ariani we gymnastic. Gymnastic ballet, they are in an enclosed environment because they don't want them to be exposed to pedophiles. Square manipulation na scam. Umu sanjayero sane say uwa muya ivani la de keke Olivia uvinya kugbe. Then you almost say school not be scam.
Olivia. Or you Olivia by.
What you people could not see.
When
I like that. Sharon is not a good mother. If you make time for who know when you are not a good mother. Who now live video. Who now you see it. But when you were doing to Sharon's mom, it was all fun. Where Sharon, where Talia, Bini Sharon, it was fun, it was money making, it was all about monetization for you and the stupid boy who violated the mercy of government. Thinking you were disgracing Sharon, you were also exposing yourself. We're big European Union. At the end of the day, government or you wear. Oh, big government for my Yahweh, baby Allah, baby Allah, Mickey, baby Allah, Pampas, baby Allah, and that funny. You will be here, say, Umami Black. Yagawe, when you get big Biaga, they check. Everyone marry Ari Scotland. And street of my Jakisula Boa, the Jerry. Well, wow.
No.
A bill 00 paragraph. I get paper. I get paper paragraph unusable paragraph in me. Who wrote say every Tuesday a school major in Winner major. But I wear Facebook on me. That is it for you all. A girl of 30 plus was still fully dependent on her mom.
Bro.
Because that is how most of you train your kids. Or say you were yeah, she was the underground. Yeah, she was the underground instigator, of course. That is how they be. And said, don't buy you their destiny. Again, no kind of bishing out a Facebook in her. If we thank God for the help of the presenter who were there for those ones, in your case, we met ziga to the tag be there now. Sharon could not spread her tentacle because she was a good actress. She could not spread her tentacle because of Isiomori. Because of a gang in issue. Oh, Sharon OKPAMEN dare not say hi to them. And I went okay, I collected script will be here. Sharon big Sharon must support it with 10,000 euro or 5,000 euro. Date Sharon support it or date nego the kind of support you are clamoring. If mama not support her, if 50 Cent really get that money, Unati say she will do be a parlor for a living room. Living room. Dete 50 Cent wa fere nu wa we eri o ma e pe o ye o dete o gele wa mengo ni e 50 Cent ga here ni pa lo he a o ma here so ya le pepe soup and dem wa wo here o ma here ni pa lo he. No, everything now the way boys about planning. I tell my kids wa here we tell me so that I plan my time, I plan it out. Then I take care of, then I take care of the day so that I can do it. That is why schools sent letters ahead. Sharon in Nigeria, or just discuss where Yemweko, or then the Korean Laoni, Ije, Variuna, okay, Nia, Wario Bani. You didn't plan with your mom, but why you're not planning where because you expect your mom to do everything, Ije, easy or change a battery every 5 days. No, it's not possible. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. It's not Nigerian and now I'm moving born like me. And I have to go get my daily living to pay my bills. Then you just wake up one morning and start telling me where you gotta tell me, you gotta plan ahead. My husband and I had something to do. We've been planning for it for the past 5 years. So don't just wake up and tell me you want to to do because I'm your mom. It doesn't work like that. No. Everything a boy is planning. You plan ahead. You plan ahead. You people expected then okay, she can Nigeria send go get or yeah, no moon and your man. Okay, so go you. Also, no matter of your hand take it. Only in not bad money. And okay, she get go to this go to this UK and Agba area. Okay, so go over here where you married your man. Now they go be married up than whatever. So okay, she give very well. I am back here for ya muye. Okay, she na send go from Nigeria gear. Who wa go di no ya de lebra. Emi awoja. Eje Sharon, ma je Sharon, who no ya mu ekore. This easy here, he dey tell me ya we no return no more. No, me mate me video ni. Agbene ni yeri bene me do ya we. If Sharon's mom wants the girl, she should come to you. That was a slap on that woman's face. I don't care what she has done to Sharon. That was a slap on her face. Your best friend's mom, she should come to your house to come get the baby. Now, where she, and we're not changing battery every 10 days with kidney where I be the no he. Where better than where she now. Now, I did the video about this girl last year, August 3rd or 5th. If you can be this wicked, vindictive, stone-hearted, what if you were 100% good health-wise? Uzanuado. She caused the shot in air and Abi air. Association she caused the shot. That is why none of them were bold enough to even say RIP Sharon or post account of that woman, Nigeria account of the GoFundMe, as the case may be. Did you guys see any sign of somebody who has been crying? No. She wants to be the one calling the shot for Sharon's mom, even after her demise. Even after Sharon's demise, even after Sharon's demise, Izzy Omori wants to be the one calling the shot, for the mom, like she has always been doing it while she was alive. Years ago, over 30 years ago, my other sister's friend with the mom had issue. The girl was in our place for 2 days, and my mom was like, "Hey, where are we, man?" For 2 days. Then my other sister were in my mom followed her to, I think, how many of you know that street they call Agadagudu? Off TV Road, Duwale Street, she's in America now. Sharon, why was Sharon so comfortable with you and your mom? Why she was being disrespectful to her mom? Why was she comfortable? How did you and your mom mediate? You wanted her mom to babysit her, to spoon feed her after giving her cat as a journal. It doesn't work like that. Okay. Easy and her mother's influence on Sharon was strong and very wrong. Yes. Easy's influence on that girl was so strong that they made that girl susceptible to them. They made that girl to be at their mercy. They made her vulnerable. They made that girl to be at their mercy. Calling the shot for her, calling the shot for her brother. Now that she's dead, you also want to be in charge of her funeral. Who raised you? Like you said, this is your Mori. Who went any parents Yako Kimo? Who went any Sharon Yako Sharon? That was how Sharon ended up the way she ended up. Just the same way your parents, your mom trained you, and you ended up the way you ended up. You are so rude, you are so ruthless, you are so unforgiving. Izzy is so ruthless, she's so unforgiving, she's so vindictive. Very unforgiving. And we're not there, we have Beboni is unforgiving. If you can be so, so adamant to a family, you don't even have the same last name. Then you are talking about Ebony. Why me no ruwa be why go akwo ma be here? Who the hell are you to call the shot in OKPAMEN's family? Who knows? Who the hell are you?
Where go?
When no change your battery, me na ga go dey easy. You know what busy on no. No change your battery dey every 10 days na. Sando poa. E Sharon mo no share UPSs. Ona do agbe devil very ana mo bole webo. And you expect the mom to be happy. For 19 years, the Sharon OKPAMEN na pay go why? Or you gadigo no ya gbere shi. Le osane say one gbere le Europe, ashawo be Europe ya. Or they gbekagigo omu pari Nigeria. Or they target no change battery gbegizi. And why Sharon? I see Sharon ga rigo ne Sharon. Sharon mari mo enjoy Sharon. O ga ask you in Nigeria. Maintenant, on va obi ademi ni jeo. Sharon ma de gogo ni jo ma de gogo ni jouer. Il joue na ni imagine obi o kan ni gogo. Ije Sharon na o ma no fu no not the person way o ma mo bo fie o very oni. If not issue when you was na sakoyo egbe. Ije Sharon in the same city. Sharon ki ando wa issue na mudia. Una no de fie o. In case some kind family one go do that kind of that family me. Issue family me mu ni sunu wani. Family ni me ni issue wani na. Awa issue ni wa. Awa futa gban issue ni no guri ya. Ishizi. Ishi me arago issue wa be do mudia.
We are do what?
We here. Then no we garanto abide no hi. Obi here do wa. You people feasted, you enjoyed the enmity between the mom with the daughter. Why enjoy because you were gaining from it? If you were not gaining, you were not gaining. Okay, later, who were not see Sharon on the railway, or Sharon. You encourage her to be lazy. The only thing you can do is to beleke you. And the mistake Sharon's mom made, more than what the candidate, I don't know you sit you worry. But sometimes when you are settled, when you are stable in a particular city, it's so hard for you to move. Yeah. Sometimes when you are stable in a particular city or state, it's hard for you to move. But my people, if you now say a disadvantage in a row, all those advantages move, you will do well in the other city. Those of you if you were in grass in 2006, 2007, very their family okpa. If you were in grass, Austria, 2006, 2007. If you're more than you know, if you're more than you after some years, on a maybe on a yajoa, on a holding a dwa, on a biomeva, cabiomeva cake, but not the baby or mevari. Why me bene? Then on your bogi say, I never yana of more Harry. Don't get of Vibiacan. If you can't while like Austria, boom, a trash in your wajo. A man never more if you can't, you know, Harry Vibiacana la Australian. A church in Yawajo, there was a particular woman like Izzy's mom, Keke will be a nodium. Those of you who were in grass 2006 to 2007, you will know this story very well. We are going to Wednesday normal. A church me by and information you say can imagine. One day after a long time, we will go out concert. My sister Melissa. And we are not a babble your toes. You're not Wokona. You're not Wokona. You're not Huyalawa. It was a battle. If you were aware, the woman, I think she did Leeds or Salzburg, you were doing a work beragi. Why, Emma, was your more? Oh, I Canary, you parents in Yabo. If you were travel for now. Are we a Bible? You to say now when you are calling the Bible.
Are you where Melissa?
Iya Sharon, every fuve no funi aya memory ayo wobo. Every grant you draw when you are kokona. If it's possible for you to move from radio and media, you have to move. Una rebege where uma no move because of how you've been settled there or how you've relaxed in that city. Don't let a grandchildren where you have to be firm. Sharon, where you over pampering with Biekana one? If you see something you will not be able to control, move from that city to another place. I'm telling you. Move if it's convenient. Not convenient to your wobo. Anything by tea. You have to be up and doing now. Not be honest, easy as the mama be like this. If many women devil for America, any man don't go or be a scatter family and a we are killed the open way. He's you or Muya Wariao or Muya Wariao. That was what they did. You want to be the one calling the shot in this family for what now? Well, we get now until Sharon OKPAMEN. Just to cause confusion, how manipulators operate. And we also know about the first child. Area, you open the door for Sharon. Ishana where 3 weeks. And Sharon lawa. Oh, one of them, Munia, 8 man winner. One Sharon magic be off the 8 is your mother, the Itaji. Is your mother, the Itaji. You come. Oh, no, my con will send you go where you are, the Itaji. Sharon, she really get the money where everybody thinks say she get, where she not take the responsible for this girl. So you think say she will there sell beer parlor for her own living room? That year Sharon get a feeling and when I hear what everything I hear may go away. That year Sharon work a buffet in a different store. And I may leave you room with beer parlor because Obama so planning so because she's the mother of Sharon does not mean Sharon will go and bring unplanned pregnancy and expect the mom. Story of when Sharon get Sharon now you talk. Sharon no in Nigeria. Baby father where send pen can't euro Mary mana. It's okay back benebe. Every day ya pray. So ya training you wa. Go say no la we they talk to a children. When no man was and what Richard discipline me who with your hair. One guye Sharon Gua. When no man, apart from a government, you know, but we're there. This woman, she not be person where they do it be a she not be person like that. Also, no you manage. I'm not a system of France and Ederio. At almost 50, I'm a apostle where, but why you come here? Not I see why you come here. Almost 50 years. But of one another, or is it we Sharon, we now, or if you be a candidate, another way. Near Bamen, 1 year, those lie self-employed. Oh, he met the candidate, or we are self-employed, or you have African store, or can the lie African restaurant, because all they're busy, no pay. Then one pikin wey don't pass 30 go carry pregnancy come give me for her. Say because say him mama dey work, him mama suppose. I'm money oboli, ya go be enopia. So I say 23 years. On wako no who, on wina, on na feko ya rento wa. I'm money oboli ya wa mugolera. Awe marriage you go honey. Sharon, that Sharon, yok be are we share can we marry. If share no boy so we are supporting ya. And we are working number 1. We are working number 2 when it were not the mother should put her life on hold for waiting now. The mother the organization to ya street with her. Yeah, agony a laziness in the entitlement in your life be Sharon kakabone. Coupled with if your mama not do for her, you go just go the easiest. If your mama not do or say no girl or say if you are your mama queen say this one when mom see the call she more go beg mom see you. More go beg mom. Now sorry friends they do.
Exactly.
Mom see Sharon why you you have to buckle up your life. You have to buckle up, you have to be serious for once. When I yell why do after my issue this your mommy know you're like you know see as my mommy they do me at almost age 40. Then why so 72 years ago do you big idea? Everyone did you yeah you be madam why is a big deal when I do so in Nigeria in your why you draw a committee and Kisha or when you are boy tomorrow why €100 Gishua. Then a Sharon on my bobo way or ma then Osama say what big Galile Europe is or mammy way 10,000 €20,000 no muya support Jenaki. Don't I say me I'm more put her own life on hold because of a daughter or mono saka mono kekwa. May God rest her soul. Wa hemwe yoto wakabo wa ine agbonu reveri agbo the can't go no ya live life if agbonorina ne degbe live life. She should not be vulnerable, she should not be naive, she should be or that deal with us say she should be 3 times ahead. I just see one presenter come out. I am a good friend, though. I am the only good friend. I am the only good friend. If you don't do me anything, I will not talk. You know, I always say trap in Why am I presenter your boom one? Why am I presenter you was and why you phone it there or go agua? No, why am I because Easy is the one controlling the Facebook of Akobe. When me Akobe enter or by Sharon over here, Akobe one day. Only you know that no yerea, Nana Maria ya the rea, but my man tomorrow. Easy or more you now move down and you see it. You see it. Only you know that 24 bits. JJ Barry beats set 24 bit gang. JJ dana easy you see those of you now will be friends. Where still be our friends? Why I feko? Because I got someone I think a person they do just imagine if the way she had planned it, she has succeeded with that plan. For everybody to be against Sharon's mom. Guys, 70% of Ocean Rewebo ye clear Luwene. Ane Bearioja Gewebo. Oh, say no Sajayana ye fiete Yowana. Ekioma Guama Guasa Huelandia. Ene cannot say just the baby ajoy la Luenon, when inflation and say we Muhiane, only la Lonine or dead baby soiree, or the fear Kuodawe video one Arioba Munia or Maxi Renti there. That is your son and say this bed. That torment is succeeded by Webo. Area was son and say, Area Yanariaje, Area Wive, Obero, so better, Richard the Vedder. Our engineer, who are for 1 minute, but 2 days away. Date your we subsidy like Europe. Then you are a Sharon OKPAMEN they would have still been their mother's house today, expecting their mother to pay the bill. Look at Ewi that day now. Just 2 days outside, the moment he paid bills, he had to run back home to go and lick his vomit. This is what laziness can cause. This is what, when you encourage laziness, it will backfire on you.
Exactly. Share this video, guys.
This
video is very interesting.
You know, because
very interesting.
Your children, you cannot boldly tell your children you are going to work. When Facebook, you win anything. Why have you? They will pass me my star. I'm your winner. And if you watch and you're a dover. Osane say, normal winner that is at the mercy of government. Where no promise can come and no move here away, but only a 0-0 and a beast. If na beast, may you try and may you get them now. Of your hand, JUPS, or not what body the tricks, and you think the mother will be happy. She have given you education and given you the citizenship. You don't expect me to put my life on hold. When I'm supposed to be vacationing in Barbados or St. Nevis, who the time I remember you went to Paris, engineer Orewani. Everything, it's not like I'm going to be angry, but you, every other is planned. I plan it.
Exactly.
I don't want it, I will not take it from anybody.
Exactly.
Now there we plan, everything is planned, everything is mapped out. Also, an budget. Every now the year now, every now the year 2026. Every now everything is planned out. You will not just wake up and expect me to start running around with your own plans that you brought up just now without pre-informing me. You pre-inform me before you do anything, or if you want me to be part to be a part of what you are doing. Don't wake up and tell me, oh, now invite me at the party when we're next week. I'm telling you, even if you will roll everything the way boy is planned. Don't wake up. Those of you tell, God power they call, all the presenter panel there. No matter what, the mother should have not changed that just to cause confusion. Easy, a plan marry work. Only the way, a rich for the mother 3 weeks. If I was a man, boyfriend, or not send you again, stay you there. And we're going on. But if they or Siago were Geneki easy or change battery every 30 days, those Siago were Geneki, then the share who go miss social, may they help you. Una don't plan time for that girl. Say your mother has to be responsible for everything. Your mother has to babysit you. Your mother has to spoon feed you for everything. Every step you take, your mother has to be there for you. All the ticket up. While we go there, while we go there, Denmark. While we go there, Denmark. While we go, the ticket in the shop in Okpa. I remember years ago, one of the New York, Nigeria embassy in New York. Nigeria embassy in New York. Before now, another person now. They are Yorubas. The fly and win and the final winning city. Or have a co, or you in the dead, or a come where you moto, or your hearing, or your pack a side there, Nigeria embassy in Manhattan. Of a copac, a little way with embassy, I will be for them, or either way with the UN floor, Irani. Not the UN video, the UN floor for Nigeria embassy. Iya will be for Nerani. Iya ya dize. If you want to hear man not the video. If you cannot get it to help Pigeon. People started here not to help Pigeon with computer work. You can even order food. You can even do everything. Here not to help Pigeon. Before you know, this year you are more stunning. This year you are more stunning. Queens, Jamaica Queens. This year mega female to the embassy. You have to do another boy no Irani na. Oh you are bad no. The guy that has the big van. They supported their mother.
Exactly. That's a good thing.
A big store in Jamaica Queens. Near Methodist Hospital in Jamaica Queens. They helped their mother. They supported their mother's business. They were going to school. You can order from 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. They help their mother to stand their mother's business. So they go on different cars in New York. Because the children came and saw the struggle of their parents and they supported them. So they took their business from Ubimonto and store. Go and look at the store. And when you play the store, and there are 7 and it was served. Because as God said to David, a son in a rock me hospital. A Sharon said no boost the business in there. I went on we go there. Be there to help your mom. It's only the mom that is to be responsible for her, right? She's not supposed to be responsible for her mom. No. Because one stupid easy, not change a battery it's going to tell the mother to bring the mother's head so she can drink it.
That's true.
No,
even Sharon Wune. Even with Sharon Wune, the mother was still, looking at easy like, okay, she's supposed to be the person at the next point of call. Oh, see, if she can take a decision of back at teasing it, this was an ample opportunity for you to have cleaned your name again, for you to have settled with this one. And whatever that you were getting a behavior, no say ya behave. And guilty conscience all worry is your phone. Is Sharon.
Is that?
Sharon, that was not your business. Your business was let's come and disgrace the mom. That kind of thing I get time for my life. Let's come and disgrace the mom. Let's come and disgrace the mom. Everybody see the more Sharon. Everybody they ask, but what happened? What you have to that was not your focus. Your focus was your focus was not a good way rubbish Sharon. Not the time I'm going to Sharon, you worry.
Is he a bad friend?
I'm a very sweet mom, and I'm a very strict mom. Sweet and street. Don't misbehave in my house and think because your mom. Don't try it. If we work for our woman, don't try it. The Sharon's even I am with you, or maybe I am taking responsibilities of the aftermath of one not back you. Who not back you without condom? Women in Osuluwa. Then they bury like that. Who women is one of a manager life event, not a one night to 5 event. Or next to 4, who we must do responsible. Me one big over the only man I winner.
Okay.
That's me I wear cruise ship every 3 days. $10 with cruise ship every 2 months now. So the mother was not financially buoyant for the kind of help Sharon wanted. She was not financially buoyant. Sharon could have faced herself. Oh, yes, squander even in Nigeria. Oh, when I say, when engineer move, engineer must to one another, engineer must to one another, engineer must to one another, and when is your boy. When we have people, Nigeria Kufwa, Nigeria, Madame, no more, but Israel who work for one, where man. Okay, Sharon now, Mama will born. I saw what Israel here when Madame. Israel who works for our oh yeah, and big bag, who don't move when ya say Madame. Good afternoon, my darling, marvelous. Sorry that may comment winner. And we hear Sharon wa me. Easy omoru you get. No one is a fara.
Ina magbodo.
One is a na mwe magbodo. One is a na ange calendar easy omoru yi. Only be ye plus ye no way you know where you did ye be tana no be lie ma. Ije where for that be or make 3 weeks. I me na we omomo no be na no away. Omomo no can no be 2021 be 2020 and then mimi ni we ye hia ni mimi ye hia mu na power of Anthony anybody I want to come qualify here adoption no the grandmother will we good time where I want to am be canning anybody on my money Sharon Fugbe Sharon Fugbe Israeli was a few times but where Israeli I want to me so for wiver. I'm telling you. One is a fara, one is a girl, one is a sigma. Israel baby city were because of a battery now I leave your battery no wiki, I leave your new one, I leave your no wiki, also Israel na ye spoon feed you, also na ye baby city. And Sharon was not having all that. So you did expect the mom to put her life on hold for her. For what? You guys, if you are here, don't train your kids like that. That's not because it will backfire. Everything is just about saga. Sometimes you look at things from the pivotal points, from the pivotal angles. Not because you have issues with anybody. No. Why is this thing like this? This is how it ought to be. That's why I don't have any friend or any presenter I like or I hate. If you do anything good, if you do anything bad, I will slap you. If you get my picture, go give fake accounts. Need don't vow now and yele gumaza weni. Because you see me, so I hate rubbish for my life. Get away, don't pass 30 years. Una say, well, when is your young but hell, is your young well where? Hell, was it? Is your man well, is your young where? Huh? Yes, Sharon, if you don't fool the Bekana, you say this your grandchildren and they are the next targets.
Yes, no.
Your grandchildren are the next target for this. No one is a woman bodona easy or no your morui. Or mammy or do easy where one or show wado. Whether you are you say you fair get better, I deg be amore.
Wow.
Or your mother where he had to control over. When I heard Sharon died, I know she fell, it was negligence from the hospital. The next thing that I came to my thought was, Easy is supposed to start writing to the hospital now. You will write to them what happened to so and so person. If you people cannot give a clear explanation, you are filing a lawsuit. And I am your hospital. The hospital needs to tell me where you are going for a lawsuit for your friend or your sister. Hell, any rock my mom easy. Don't tell me man any Sharon when your way Sharon. When you share your boyfriend, don't tell me money. You drama me not back your way, I'll see another boyfriend. Sharon we are here for how many years? My question is, what is the man that impregnated? Exactly. They left the boy that impregnated her. They are dragging the mom. They left the guy that be the man. Man, don't be kind of easy where the boy is just early 30. Me no be okay. Now me come on. I met it better you Sharon we kone. Eh, wana we ni shedo mu. Ni shedo agogo. Ni shedo adanyo filogo kwa. Yes, I know. I beg you, very only a cana. If not for you to drop your market, maybe you start to they use only ghost fire or anything where you do. If nothing, your boy will kure. Easy, this easy not mine. You will just they go school where your pikin. Oh yeah, they biscuit in there. Oh yeah, my picture. Look at your picture. Hey, Bama is in your mama. Somebody like this easy. She don't mind. She go say which school Mimi they go now. Okay, I'll go to school name Mimi show. Oh mama, oh yeah, apply you win a cleaner Rani. Just so they show Mimi say, hey, I get your video. See, no give we public donate for your mama. Only he confused. I did not support GoFundMe. I wanted like I support GoFundMe. Sharon, they drag him, mama, where see they manage. Sharon must send of your Boba Boya expand the business journey or make the business or Mara or marketing the Maya where business now Gaya Muesto. Oh, Vivian America, he ana support Gian. If you can't support Gian, if you Omega Yimoto ya deliver, Omega Yimoto ya Aknive. Is she Omega most of me method hospital to the quiz. Is it Uber and the other ones? The do deliver another customers here. The children came from Nigeria and asked them.
Yes, so my lovely people, now good evening. I greet all of you. But that's the water right there. Quick one before I go end the broadcast, you know. They no give we. They life well. They are going to. If it's that also, you can't work a mission now. Anyway, most of the way. You when we hear it. See, they was I can't even read a WhatsApp group. No, we are in Kanoyaki. Ya delete. Very old man. It's around tea when we. Come on, you shall have we go to the Sharon tea and we. If you're enticing, I will leave you guys now. I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't play. Hey, your boy, yo. Now, bye bye for now.